Good evening, sir. I am Cheris Prieto from Section Bravo. I am going to discuss a simple forgery. Forgery does not try to copy a model but writes with something resembling we ordinarily call a signature. For this, he uses a false name and makes a rapid stroke, disturbing his usual writing by adopting a camouflage called signature. So, kaning nga forgery is simple lang. For example is ang tao nga nag-commit ani is nanggamit siya og lain nga name, tapos iya denggi siya na rin nagbutbut og signature. Murag gyud ni siya disguise forgery kanang murag kanang nagpasif ka nga ikaw pero dili ikaw. Then the second topic is method of signature tracing. Number 1 is carbon outline method. Carbon paper inserted between original and false document. Kani nga tracing is ang ginagamit ani is ang carbon para ma-compare or ma-trace kung unsa ang original ug ang false documents. Then ang kadua is transmitted light process. Light source is placed under a light. The original documents is placed under the false one. So kani is nagamit siya transmitted light para under sa light sa yung original gyapon or sa false nga documents. Thank you, sir.